Hey there, welcome back to Blender. In this lecture, we'll be learning the most important of all the modifiers, that is the Boolean modifier. Boolean operations allow you to cut and join meshes by using other meshes. The operations are implemented by employing Boolean modifiers. Now, an object is to be selected in the 3D window and another object that will be used to perform the Boolean operation. Let us take a UV sphere. Now we will fit this UV sphere inside this. Now we will add this modifier to this cube. Go to properties, select add modifier, Boolean, and here is the operation that will be displayed to us. That is, this operations tab shows us which operation we will be performing. It shows the difference, union and intersect Boolean operations. So first let us test the intersect operation, and here in the object tab you will have to select the object that you will be using to cut the mesh, that is for the Boolean operation. So let us select the sphere. The moment you select, the Boolean operation gets performed. Now you see that part of cube has been cut off by the sphere by intersection. Now we'll click on apply, and now we will move this. You see, a semi-spherical part was cut off from the cube. Interesting, isn't it? Now let us test the union operation. We will again repeat our steps. We will select one sphere, and after creating the sphere, we will put it inside the cube. Now we will select the cube on which the modifier is to be applied. We will go to properties, select modifier, add modifier, then Boolean. The operation this time is the union and the object that we will use for performing the Boolean operation is the sphere, and now click on apply. We will move this, and you see these two objects use the union operation, and this is our final product. If you remember, the join tool does the same. The only difference is that we will have one byproduct here, whereas in join tool we won't have any leftover object like this. Now let us perform the difference operation of the Boolean modifier. Repeat the steps. Now we will go to properties, select modifiers, add modifier, Boolean, and in that operation will be difference this time, and the object that we will use to create is cube, and now click on apply. You see, when the difference modifier was applied on the sphere, it performed the difference Boolean operation, and hence this part of the sphere was taken away. If you want to perform the same with the cube, we will do it for you. We will again take one UV sphere, put it inside the cube, select the cube, add modifier, Boolean. In that the operation should be difference, and in object it is sphere 001. Now click on apply, and this is what happens. You see, one spherical part was deducted from the cube. This is how the difference modifier works.